What's going on, everybody? Israel Galindo here from Advanced Networks. I hope you guys are doing awesome out there. So, today we're just going to do a quick video in regards to Microsoft 365, how just like every other online platform has been going down for the last couple of weeks, 365 continues to have issues after issues after issues. So you'll notice that anytime if you're a customer of ours and you get a hold of us where Outlook is not working for you because that is your email application of choice, what we usually do on our site is we always check Microsoft's network status as well as Twitter, because Twitter seems to really have a great show of letting us know when something is down. We also have downdetector.com. And if you guys want to save that page, downdetector.com, if you go into the archive of what's been down, you can see what's been down as of right now, 7:01 p.m. here on a Tuesday in Southern California. You can see that Outlook is down, WhatsApp is down, Xbox Live, US Bank, Amazon, and so on and so on. It doesn't mean that in your area you're probably down, but as of right now for Southern California, we can see that these are down, including Microsoft Teams. So that being said, how could you get around using your Outlook application if Outlook does not open for you? Well, most of the time, I would say 50% of the time, Microsoft's web servers are still up and running. So if you go to outlook.office.com, that'll take you directly into your email application on the web. You are going to need your email address and your email password. And if you don't have that, IT can get that for you. And if you are one of our customers, we will get that for you so you can log in temporarily. The question that you might ask is, if I log onto my web app, am I going to have the same emails that I do on my Outlook? Yes, that is correct. If you are using Office 365, you are using what's called Microsoft Exchange, which does have that. Now, I'm going to also show you something different, because some of you might go, well, I log on to login.microsoftonline.com. What's the difference? Well, Outlook.com is going to take you directly into your email inbox. It just goes into your web application, just like Gmail, just like everything else. You're going directly into your email app, which is what you want to do. You want to go into your email app, which is again going to take you directly where you need to be. Now, some of us like to use the web version of our apps, Word, Excel, etc. Now, are those affected? If 365 is down, they are not affected. But if you're trying to send a file outbound, you won't be able to do that. So I will show you in a second here. If you go to, again, outlook.office.com and log in with your credentials, you will get right into the web version of Outlook, which looks almost identical. And you can use it anywhere. You don't need the application. You can use it on your phone. You can use it at Starbucks. Anywhere where there's a computer, you can use the web version of that. Now, if I take you to login.microsoft.com, what that's going to show you is that's going to take you into a different view of 365, which is going to show you all of your applications. Why is that important? Because if I want to create a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on, my apps are on the left hand side right here. As you can see, our applications stream down the bottom of the system. So very, very, very cool to be able to do that and to be able to access our applications, Word, Excel, use them on the cloud. When you save something, it saves to the cloud, and you are able to see them on your local applications as well, since it is connected to your system. So that is another way of getting to your apps. If you're not at your computer, you're visiting someone, you're borrowing their computer, they don't have a full version of Microsoft Office or Excel and so on, you can use it that way. And then from here, you can also again hit Outlook, which will then take you to your mail application and so on. So this is the way to get around when 365's Outlook is down. Now, you would ask, why is my Outlook on my computer down but not the web version? Well, the simple answer is the Outlook application uses a certain port than the one on the web. The one on the web is 80. The one on your computer It's probably a different port that Microsoft is having issues with, since they can't really control the ports that are coming into your computer. They can control the one on the browser. This is why the one on the browser seems to be up when the outage is saying that at 7:01, 36 minutes ago, 35 minutes ago, Outlook is down. If I try to open my Outlook right now, it would not open, or give me a bad password where I would have to type it several times, as I would be unsuccessful to get in. So best bet, again, if you're going to need to go into Outlook, just do outlook.office.com. Now, if you're techie, you're going to go, Israel, I can just hit office.com and it takes me to the same place. Yes, office.com will take you to login.microsoftonline.com. Those two are the same redirect that takes you to your applications, as stated here before, where then you can access your OneDrive and everything else in your repertoire of 365 applications. Now, again, if you are savvy or you like social media, it is always good to start on 365 as your Outlook is having issues. As you can see, Outlook down. Hey, you can just type Outlook down on Twitter and see how many people are complaining if Outlook is down. If you are one of our customers, we do that for you at no charge. We obviously are ahead of when things are down, and we let you know. As you can see, some funny memes people are putting on there when Outlook is down and so on, especially when Teams are down, which is really widely used. If you have not used Teams, you should really get yourself into using Teams. It is a great application, and this is how the future is going to go when you are talking to your vendors and your customers versus the old-fashioned email way of doing things. Anyways, just wanted to do the quick video. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, issues, or if you need further training on how to work anything tech with Israel and his team here at Advanced Networks. I would talk to you on the next one.